Project number 4, task 1. On the last page, bookmark the heading World Class Ski Resorts and name the bookmark Resorts. I'm going to scroll down to the last page and select the heading World Class Ski Resorts. Which is located here. I'm going to click to highlight. I'm going to go up to the Insert tab on my ribbon, and in my Links group I want to select Bookmark, and in my Bookmark dialog box I'm going to name this Resorts with a capital R. Click Add. Click anywhere outside of that heading to deselect it. I'm going to mark that as completed and move to the next task. Immediately below the heading Table of Contents, insert a custom table of contents displayed in the formal format that displays only the following styles as the associated levels. Captions, Caption 4, Heading 1, 2, Heading 2, 3, and Title 1. So I want to find the heading of Table of Contents, which is located here. I want to place my cursor directly below the heading. I'm going to go up to the References tab of my ribbon, and in my Table of Contents group, select the drop down for Table of Contents and select Custom. In my dialog box, in the General section down here at the bottom, we want to change the formats to formal. I'm going to select my Options button to the right here. And then with the settings that they described, we want to make Caption 4. We want Heading 1 to be two, so we have to scroll down here. So we have Heading 1, we need to change this to 2. Heading 2, we're going to change to 3. Then we have Title. We want 1. And we need to clear the Table of Contents level for the cover title and Heading 3. So here we're going to delete the one for cover title, and then we need to find Heading 3 and delete that. We're going to click OK from here. You get your preview, your print preview, and your web preview up at the top. We're going to click OK from here as well, and it's going to insert that table of contents for us. We're going to mark this as completed. Move to the next task. And task number 3 says, on the bottom of the last page, create a table from the text resort name to the end of the document. Create the table with 5 columns with an automatic fixed column width separated by tabs. Apply the Grid Table 5 Dark Accent 1 table style. So on our last page, we're going to select the text beginning with resort name, which is located here. And click and drag all the way down to that empty cell well, it's not a cell yet, the empty space in the Sundance row of the last column. I'm going to go up to my Insert tab, and in my Tables command group, I'm going to select the Table drop-down, and I want to convert text to table. My dialog box opens up. The number of columns we want is 5. We want a fixed column width set to auto. We want to separate the text at tabs, so make sure this radio button is selected at the bottom. We're going to click OK, and it has converted our text into an actual table now, but we still want to add a style to it. So we're going to go up to the Table Tools Design Contextual tab on our ribbon, and in our Table Styles command group, we want to select Grid Table 5 Dark Accent 1. We're going to click our More button for our gallery. We want Grid Table 5 Dark Accent 1. So here we have Grid Table 5 Dark. Here we have Grid Table 5 Dark Accent 1. We're going to click to apply that, and then you want to click anywhere outside of the table to deselect it. We're going to mark this task as completed and move on to the next. Task number 4. In the sidebar on page 3, change the bullets of the ski resorts list to a solid square to match the other lists. Select the entire ski resorts list starting with Alta and ending with Sundance. So here we have our list. We're going to change these bullet points. I'm going to click and drag to select all of our options here. I'm going to go up to my Home tab, and in my Paragraph group, I'm going to select my Bullets drop-down. And in the Bullet Library section, you want to locate the solid square, which is located here, and click to apply that. You can click anywhere outside to deselect the list. I'm going to mark this as completed and move to my next task. Task number 5 says on the last, it says resolve the comment on the last page. So on the last page inside the comment box displayed on the right side of the document, you want to click the resolve button. If I scroll down, I am not showing any comments on my right outside here, but you can see I have this little text bubble here. That's indicating that there is a comment associated with some text or some graphics, whatever it's attached to on this particular page. So you can see when I click on it, it says create a table to match this map. Not sure if they have the resolve button in here anymore. I don't want to keep responding to it. I don't believe that they have the resolve button in the comment boxes anymore from my recollection. So I'm going to skip this particular question. And we'll leave it at that. So we will be marked wrong for this because this has been changed in the actual application. Geometrics has not caught up yet. So I'm going to mark it as completed, but it will be marked wrong. So we're just going to mark as completed, and this was our last task, so I'm going to go ahead and grade the project. So don't worry about being marked wrong for that, because that option is not available anymore. We're going to go ahead and move to project number 5.